Hey guys, today we're going to start looking at 9A.3, average rate of change. You've looked at average rate of change before. This is not a new concept. You've looked at it with linear functions. With linear functions, it's slope, and you have looked at it with quadratic functions. Okay, average rate of change in anything except linear is called rate of change. The only special one is linear. We call it slope. Okay. So the average rate of change of a function over a specified interval gives us a sense of whether the function values are mostly increasing or mostly decreasing on that interval. The average rate of change, f of x, from x equals a to x equals b, is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And all that really is if you remember, it's like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, it's your slope formula. So what we're going to do here is I am finding the average rate of change of f of x equals 3 to the x from x equals 2 to x equals 3. So I'm going to start by graphing this. Okay. I'm going to add a graph. I'm going to graph 3 to the x. And the easiest thing to do is just go to the table. Menu, 7, and then split screen table. I'll write that on here. This is number 1, but so I'm going from x equals 2 to x equals 3, right? My x values are over here. So at x equals 2, my value is 9. At x equals 3, my value is 27. Okay. So our rate of change formula, again, the way I kind of like to think about it is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Be very careful. Make sure you do the second y minus the first. So your second point minus first. My second point is this point. Right? First point, second point. So my y is first. So 27 minus 9 over 3 minus 2. Alright, 27 minus 9 is 18. 3 minus 2 is 1. 18 divided by 1 is 18. Okay, so my average rate of change between 2 and 3 is 18. So what that means is overall this is increasing because it is positive. All right, let's look at our next problem. B, f of x equals 1.1 x plus 3 from x equals negative 2 to 2. So again, new document. No, I don't. An add graph. So I'm going to do 1.1 to the x. Make sure I come out of the exponent plus 3. So again, menu, 7, that's split screen. And I want to do x equals negative 2, which is negative 2, 3.8. That's my first point. My second point is at 2. .21. So again, your slope formula or your average rate of change formula, right, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y is first, 4.21 minus 3.8 over 2 minus negative 2. Make sure you have the 2 and then minus negative 2, which is really 2 plus 2. Change. Right? So then 4.21 We bring us at 4 point, if I can keep it on. 4.21 minus 3.8 is 0.41. Over 2 plus 2 is 4, and divided by 4, 0.1025. So 0.1025 is my answer there. One more example. I don't think we have to do both of them. We'll just do one more example. C, f of x equals 2 to the x plus 3. And 2 to x plus 3. From x equals 2 to x equals 3. So again, I'm going to open my split screen table. So menu, 7, split screen table, and I have from 2 to 3. At 2 it's 7. When x is 2, my value is 7, and then 3 and 11. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. (11 minus 7 over 3 minus 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. And you get 4. And that is your answer. And that is all for today. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys tomorrow.